guys, welcome back. We are at the storage unit. Today we're officially going to start doing, wait, what are we going to start doing?
Putting this fucking engine together.
It's about time, dude. So Dom has to go back to his crib really quick because he forgot the nuts and bolts we need for the girdle and the main caps and all that jazz. So I'm trying to impress. Riding on this thingy.
They fit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go for that.
Arigato. We had to clear up some space because today we finally get to put this baby together. So right here's a good old Nissan VH45. You know what I'm saying? Nissan's first V8 motor. So today we're gonna start working on the bottom side and just work our way up. Damn. Damn.
Yeah, that's a whole fist, bro.
Gotta make sure he's nice and lubed up, man. Alright, boys and girls, make sure that your cylinder walls are always nice and lubed up. You know, if it's dry, you might die.
Some assembly lube.
Yeet. Had to have the homies pull up real quick for some assistance.
Piston ring compressor. People. Piston
Looking good. We
ring
looking good out here, guys. We looking good.
A little POV on Coupe's do.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Show y'all a little bit of look, you know what I'm saying? Showing a little bit of that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Let's say we catching Don in science action. You know what I'm saying? We're showing the real progress of how you're supposed to assemble.
Shit can be a pain in the ass sometimes.
Alright, man. You
That don't
take
mean
your
that
pistons.
you know what? Now now that's how you discourage people.
Nah, you just gotta be honest and real with them, bro.
Hey,
All right, but
So that way when they get frustrated, you can be like, hey man, it's...
I'm like, I told you.
Alright, one of y'all is gonna have to like tap this in there.
But so give me a glove or something.
I'm getting rubbered up because I'm finna get in your bitch.
Some shit you hear in San Andreas walking down the street.
So you're gonna put this over and you know, just fucking... But real quick though, before that, let me go down here, make sure it's cleaned up.
Right there.
Let's see if it starts up. Nope. Hold on. We're gonna take it back out. Begin.
Now that's that tedious shit that makes you wanna flip this bitch.
Let's do it, try number 2. Just like that. First piston is in. Yeet. And make sure.
Okay, a beer for sure. I ain't gonna lie. I might have to go through something.
What you about to get, son?
I don't even know. Mike's or something, bro. I could get a twisted.
Twisted tea. I ain't actually never tried the twisted teas. I ain't gonna tell you.
Twisted tea will fuck you up. That shit tastes like brisk.
Really?
That shit tastes like brisk.
I guess, hey, the gloves are wasted because we're about to go make a trip. Get some nom-noms and some drinky
So, you might
poos.
wanna...
You know we had to get the Corona.
Get me a Rona right quick. You gotta...
Please drink responsibly.
Oh, young Coupe to the rescue. There we go.
Yes,
Goodbye.
sir. You could have been in this.
Excuse me.
Yeah, just letting y'all know we got people.
No, it's not what I saw.
We got people who don't want to show up to the group.
Yeah.
I'm exposing you, bro. Hold on, Con's calling me, bro. What's your shit?
What the fuck, Con's calling me?
Bro, I don't think I was filming at all.
Wow. Buddy didn't even click the record button.
Bro, I thought I was filming this whole time.
So I don't even know what I said, so I can't recap.
Bro, it's all good. But hey, as I was saying, guys,
Piston wise.
we are finally done.
And then you got the backside.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
we're halfway done. We're halfway done.
Yeah.
We got all the pistons in there.
All the
big
pistons
set.
are in. They just got to be torqued down.
Yeah. We getting somewhere, bro. We about to be sliding in a few days.
That's all HondaSation does, man. You know, us at HondaSation, we're Honda fanatics, don't get me wrong. If it's not Honda, then it's nothing. Pero, you know, we also give love to all JDM cars. We want to slide, and Honda just don't really provide us with the sliding material that we want to do. Why didn't Honda want to slide? You know what I'm saying? Like, what's wrong with that?
What?
I was saying, why couldn't Honda slide, bro?
Why can't Honda slide?
Yeah, they was trying to all front wheel drive this, that.
Put that bitch in reverse.
It looks like another late night at the storage unit, but
Had some help. Called them the big guns.
Okay, 24K. What's oh? Put up there.
After slaving away 10 hours in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? We are
The robot
back
foot.
in there.
Oh shit!
Yeah, as you guys can see,
That
pistons
Coupe
are
did really good on
nicely
putting the
seated.
pistons in. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
no, for
pistons
real.
are
Shout out to my boy
nicely
Coupe for that
seated.
shit, bro.
Yeah. Coupe and Don was out here slaving away. You was out here doing some work too.
Daniel was just drinking all the Coronas and
Hey
fucking
man, I'm drinking a
sitting
Corona
back.
as we speak. Come on, now. Okay, look at that. Butters, dude.
Look at that spinning, boy. Come on now. We have no clearance issues whatsoever, which is great.
And soon, guys, this motor's gonna be put in the drift queue.
All right, so we just got done with the storage unit. We got the cars lined up. We're going to do a quick little photo shoot. We're looking good out here, man.
Man, it is 3 o'clock in the morning. We just now left the storage unit. I had to go get some gas really quick, but look at this really clean Subaru Legacy wagon, dude. I just talked to the owner, but yeah, he said it has like 118,000 miles, dude. This thing is not bad.